Do you want to pull off this cool effect? Then let's get started. Hey guys, this is Kids and welcome to the channel. So this is one of the easy tricks to do and let's get right into it. So the first thing obviously you need is the video. Now add this video to the Filmora and drag it to the timeline. Now play your video and pause where you want to add the freeze effect. Take a snapshot of this frame and Filmora will add it to your media library. Also, you have to split the video at the same frame in the timeline because we'll be adding this snapshot to it. Now, drag the second piece of the video so that we can insert the screenshot. Now, let's add some zoom effect. For that, click on the screenshot in the timeline and go to crop and zoom. In crop selection, select the area of the snapshot that you want to zoom in and click OK. Now, we have cropped the snapshot and it looks zoomed out, but it's like a normal photo. Let's add some effects to make it look cooler. I'll be adding my personal favorite retro effect. It's under the Instagram like filters. Here's a cool trick, guys. You can add the same effect multiple times to increase the intensity of it. And it really changes how the video looks. Check it out. I'll be adding it twice because that's how I like it. And now adjust the duration of the effect to match the duration of the snapshot. The next part you have to follow very carefully. Now, cut the snapshot just a little bit from the beginning and the end in the same proportion. We'll be adding zoom in and zoom out effects on these split parts. Make sure both of these parts are equal or almost equal. Select the first split part and click on crop and zoom. Now, go to pan and zoom. Here, we can see the start and the end screens. So, we want to apply the zoom in effect. So, we want to start from the full video to the cropped one. So for that, click on swap button. What this does is it retains the same proportion of the crop effect that we applied before. So when it zooms in, it ends at the same crop level. Hit play. So our zoom in is ready. Let's apply zoom out. So select the second splitted part and again go to crop and zoom and pan and zoom. This time the starting screen is cropped one, and which is what we want, but our ending screen needs to be the full video. So let's apply that and hit play again. Zoom out works perfectly. Now the final part, add some text to the video. Choose any title that you like. Filmora offers a lot of them. Adjust the title length matching the length of the effect. Edit the text and position as you like. Now that your effect is ready, I'll do the same thing to one more video. Now, let's look at how these two clips look. You can add this simple trick and make your videos look cooler. To see more cool tricks like these, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon. It's out.